guys, my name is Kartika. I a second year student at Mahardika High School of Economic, Managing and Management. Okay, this time I will discuss something important but not taught to us when we were still in school, namely is tax. Tax is mandatory contribution to the state that is owned by an individual or entity that is confer- conserved in nature based on the law, without serving its direction composition and the being used for the needs of the state for the great prosperity of the people. In 2022, there is a change in the law policy on the taxes. What they are? The first, Voluntary Disclosure Program or VDP. According to the SPP law, this program is intended for members of the taxpayer to report all income assets into the annual tax returns by submitting a letter of notification of this disclosure of assets. Second, change in tax rate, PPh and value-added tax. A corporate income tax (PPh) rate is set to 22% effective from 2022. Meanwhile, VAT will be increased gradually, namely 11% as of April 1st, 2022, and 12% in 2025. However, this determination does not apply to all Indonesian citizens who wish work, but still pay attention the fulfill, the fulfillment of subjective and objective requirements, namely, if an individual has an income above the predetermined non-taxable income. The following table changes the tax rate and the table for the less non-taxable income determination from the Director General of Taxes. Let me explain how to calculate the income tax rate. Okay, for example, if you have 10 million salary, so your gross salary in 1 year is 120 million minus the cost of office in 1 year, 120 million multiplied by 5% is 6 million. So 120 million minus 6 million is 114 million. This is net income in the 1 year. If you are someone who is a single and has no burden in the household, the tax-free be charged to you is 64 million. So that the taxable income determined by the government in the 1 year by you is 60 billion. According to PPh 21 of 2022, your 60 million income is subject to a 5% tax per year. So the calculating is 60 billion multiplied by 5% is 3 million per year. Then the monthly discount is only 3 million divided by 12 months, which is 250,000 rupiah per month. In the tax calculation that I have given above is a calculation for someone who is still single and has no dependent in the household. If you are someone who is married or has a burden in the household, the non-taxable income can be changed according to the table that I have provided before. Apart from the discussion that I have mentioned, there are not another tax changes that have been determined by the Director General of Taxes. What is it? The third, cigarette excise. In addition to VAT and PPH, the excise law UU number 39 2007 also expired and increased one of them in the cigarette exercise rate or tobacco exercise or CHT, which has increased by an average of 12% starting January 1st, 2022. And the last, carbon tax. Starting April 1st, 2022, the carbon tax will be enforced through the establishment of the highest carbon tax rate with a minimum rate of 30 rupiah per kilogram of carbon dioxide equivalent. The policy is in line with the government commitment to reduce greenhouse gas emissions by to 29% with its own effort by 2030. That's all from my explanation. Thank you for watching. Keep supporting me by like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.